Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 17 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Spigen Tough Armor T case with MagFit for the iPhone 17 Pro. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? How strong is that magnet? How precise is the camera cutouts? The overall fit? Does it add bulk? You know, do you get camera protection and lip protection at the same time? Just the normal things you look for in a case review. But let's get into it. Nice packaging from Spigen. Bam, they have different things on there. But this is Spigen packaging. I mean, it is what it is. I have a few other Spigen cases too. But I like the camera cutout. Look at that. It is precise. And then it has a little kickstand too, like the Tough Armor. Then they have a camera button there, not just a cutout. Bam. Power button there. Let's see how this bad boy fits. So, the camera cutouts are awesome. Bam, you have a lot of camera protection too, as you can tell. You do have some lip protection. Look, I would not slam this case down on the front like this, but you can place it down and have some protection. It's not much, but you do have some protection there. Everything lines up at the bottom. The power button is not, I took a screenshot some kind of way. Power button is nice and tactile. Vine rockers are easy to press. The action button is there, and it's actually a button, not a cutout. And it's ridged too, so you know you're pressing the action button. I like the corner protection you get on all four corners too. This doesn't add bulk to your phone. I mean, it does add a little bit of weight to it, but it's not a bulky case. I mean, not like a heavy duty. Now, it doesn't show off the beauty of that orange color either, but black and orange, not bad. And then the overall fit, I mean, that's pretty snug. Let's see. Not too bad. Could it be a little bit more like a snug fit? Yes, but I mean, overall, it's not going to really be bad. I wish the power button was like ridged too, like the action button. That would make it a lot easier to figure out. But again, camera cutout button. I mean, it looks like it works pretty good. Can zoom in. You can take a picture. So it's not bad. It actually works too. I think a lot of manufacturers are figuring it out now. So that camera cutout button is working good. That's how this kickstand works. The only thing with these kickstands is not the sturdiest, but again, if you're just trying to watch like a football game, you can definitely do it like that or like this. I don't think it never works out vertically, yeah. Not vertically, just horizontal like that. Or if you want a little bit more of an angle, you can watch it like that too. Now, in the overall strength of this magnet, let's see. Can you wireless charge? Again, these cases, all these cases now, I don't think it's answer if you can wireless charge. I think that's going to be yes. As you can tell, you can wireless charge. And then, okay. Spigen made a lot of improvements on the strength of their magnets lately. And they have some strong magnets for my Pixel devices too. Like, you're just not going to shake your phone like that. And then you have the little battery pack too from UAG. That's pretty strong. So this one checks off a lot of boxes. I think for a lot of people, I really do believe that people are gonna like the camera cutout, the camera button. They're gonna love the precise camera cutout there because it protects your orange paint there or your orange back. You have some lip protection. The lip protection could be a little bit better. The magnet is really strong. The kickstand works. Has the little Spigen logo on there. So it checks off a lot of boxes. This is like one of my go-to cases that I start using for all the phones out there. Bam. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 17 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.